Welcome back to EV Horizon, where we explore the cutting edge of electric vehicles transforming transportation. Today, we're diving deep into the Tesla Semi, the futuristic electric semi-truck that's redefining heavy-duty hauling with zero emissions and game-changing performance. As volume production ramps up in 2026 at Tesla's dedicated Nevada facility, aiming for up to 50,000 units annually, this Class 8 beast is finally hitting the road in meaningful numbers. Let's break down what makes the Tesla Semi so revolutionary, starting with its stunning exterior. The Tesla Semi's design screams futurism while prioritizing aerodynamics and efficiency. The latest iteration features a sleek, refreshed front end inspired by models like the Model Y and Cybertruck, with a distinctive continuous light bar that stretches across the hood for a bold, high-tech signature. Gone is the original massive wraparound windshield. It's been replaced with a more compact, practical version that improves aerodynamics and reduces drag without sacrificing visibility. The roofline flows smoother and more rounded, and the front bumper has been redesigned for better airflow and durability. Side profiles highlight clean lines, minimal protrusions, and enhanced aero shaping to slice through the wind. The overall cab sits low and centered, giving drivers an unobstructed panoramic view of the road ahead. At under 20,000 pounds curb weight for the standard version and around 23,000 pounds for the long-range model, it's impressively light for its class, allowing more payload capacity compared to many diesel competitors. The exterior isn't just about looks, it's engineered for maximum efficiency, helping achieve that remarkable 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile energy consumption. Step inside the cab, and the interior feels more like a high-tech command center than a traditional truck. Tesla prioritizes driver comfort and safety with a spacious layout designed for maximum visibility. The driver sits in the center, flanked by large glass panels that provide an almost unobstructed 360-degree view, reducing blind spots dramatically compared to conventional semis. Controls are minimalist and touchscreen heavy, with a massive central display handling navigation, vehicle stats, entertainment, and even potential future autonomy features. The cabin includes ergonomic seating, ample storage, and thoughtful touches like easy access controls for long-haul comfort. While sleeper options aren't standard in base configs yet, the space is optimized for extended drives, with climate control that's quiet and efficient thanks to the electric powertrain. No rumbling diesel engine means a peaceful ride. Active safety systems integrate seamlessly, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping, and adaptive features that make long hours behind the wheel less fatiguing. It's a driver-focused environment that blends luxury with functionality, setting a new benchmark for commercial trucking interiors. Now, let's talk performance. This is where the Tesla Semi truly shines as a futuristic powerhouse. It features 3 independent electric motors on the rear axles, delivering up to 800 kilowatts of drive power, roughly equivalent to over 1,000 horsepower. That's about 3 times the output of a typical diesel semi, translating to instant torque for effortless acceleration. Fully loaded at the maximum 82,000 pound gross combination weight, it can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 20 seconds, something no diesel truck can match without straining. It maintains highway speeds on steep 5% grades without losing momentum, and regenerative braking recovers energy while hauling heavy loads. Range is impressive. The standard range model offers about 325 miles, ideal for regional routes, while the long-range variant delivers up to 500 miles on a single charge, even under full load. Efficiency sits at an average 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile, backed by real-world tests from operators like DHL and others showing similar figures. Charging is blazing fast with Tesla's megachargers, capable of 1.2 megawatts peak rates, recovering up to 60% of range, or roughly 300 miles on the long-range model, in just 30 minutes. This slashes downtime compared to diesel refueling and makes cross-country hauls viable. Finally, pricing. The Tesla Semi comes in 2 main trims to suit different operations. The standard range version, with its 325-mile capability, starts around $250,000 to $260,000. The flagship long-range model, boasting that 500-mile range, comes in at approximately $290,000. While higher than the original 2017 targets, it's still competitive, and often cheaper, than other Class 8 electric trucks averaging over $400,000. Factor in massive fuel savings, lower maintenance with no oil changes or complex transmissions, and potential incentives, and the total cost of ownership can undercut diesel semis within a few years for high-mileage fleets. The Tesla Semi isn't just an electric truck, it's a glimpse into the future of freight where performance, efficiency, and sustainability converge. If you're in logistics or just love groundbreaking EVs, this is one to watch closely as deliveries accelerate in 2026. What do you think? Ready to see semis go electric? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like if this got you excited, and subscribe to EV Horizon for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, we'll catch you in the next one.